Hmm. Hello, myself Dr. Urvashi Mishra from Mata Bijli College. Today I have discussed second order differential equation with constant coefficient and solve this by reduce it to normal form. Then first we have learned what is the method. Let the given equation be d2y upon dx square plus dy upon dx plus qy is equal to r, which is a standard form. Then first we want to know that whether we have applied this method. For this we calculate, then either I is equal to constant or constant upon x square. We apply this method. 90% केस में I constant आता है and 10% में constant upon x square. Then procedure. Let the given equation is then first calculate I, which is constant a square. And then step 2, find the CF of equation 1. Here CF is always u is equal to e raised to minus half integral over p dx. Step 3, let solution of equation be y is equal to vu, where u is find by step 2. Now let equation 1 can be converted to d2v upon dx square plus iv is equal to r upon u. Then solve this equation and find the value of v. Step 5, solution of equation 1 is given by y is equal to vu, where u is this and equation 2 को solve करने पर v मिलेगा. Then after putting the value of v and u we find y. Now we consider some example. First example, d2y upon dx square minus 2 10x dy upon dx plus 5y is equal to e raised to x sec x. Then compare with the standard form, then it will be p, q and r. Then first we calculate I, which is q minus half dp upon dx minus p square upon. Then putting these values, I is 6. Now u is equal to e raised to minus half integral over p dx minus half integral over minus 2 10x dx, तो e raised to integral over 10x का integral log sec x, then e और log cancel होकर sec x. Now let's complete solution of equation 1 is y is equal to v into sec x. Let given equation be converted to d2v upon dx square plus iv is equal to r upon u. Putting the value of r, putting the value of r, putting the value of u. We have d2y upon dx square plus 6v is equal to e raised to x. Now we solve this equation. Then auxiliary equation से CF मिल जाएगा. m square plus 6 is equal to 0, m is equal to plus minus, then c1 cos root 6. Now pi ex upon d square plus 6, then for simple method e raised to x upon 7. Solution of equation 2 v is equal to cf plus pi, or solution of equation 1 which is y is equal to vu. Then putting this v here, that this y gives the solution of equation 1. Now we consider another example, d2y upon dx square minus 4x dy upon dx plus 4x square minus 1y is equal to minus 3 e raised to x square sin x. Now first we calculate I is 1. Therefore part of CF u is equal to e raised to minus half integral over p dx e raised to x square. Let solution of equation 1 y is equal to vu, v into e raised to x square. Let equation 1 can be reduced to its normal form d2y upon dx square plus iv is equal to r upon u. Putting the value of I, r and u, we have d2v upon dx square plus v is equal to minus 3 sin x. Now solve this equation with for CF and PI. CF के लिए auxiliary equation m square plus 1 0, m is equal to plus minus I, CF is equal to c1 cos x plus c2 sin x. PI 1 upon d square plus 1 3 sin x minus 3 sin x sin x. Then solution of equation 2, v is equal to cf plus pi, c1 cos x c2 sin x plus sin x. Therefore solution of equation 1 y is equal to uv, That will be v and u. So this will give the solution of equation 1. Now we consider another example, d2y upon dx square plus 1
No, it's
plus 1 upon x raised to 1 by 3. Here p and q. Here we have to calculate I, then I is constant upon x square. Therefore u is equal to minus half p dx is then, and y is equal to vu this. Now equation 1 can be reduced to d2y upon dx square minus 6 upon x square into v is equal to 0. Now the solve this equation, then that will be the x square, then put here x is equal to e raised to z, z is equal to log x, then x2 is equal to this. Putting this we have equation this. Now here we have to find CF of this equation, this PI of this equation. Therefore complete solution, PI is 0 because right hand side should be 0. Therefore complete solution y is equal to VU. V is this, C1 e raised to minus x square plus C2 e raised to x cube, and u which is formed in previous step e raised to 3 by 4 x2 raised to 3. Then these three problems gives the basic idea how we can solve the differential equation with by the method of change reduce into normal form.